My hometown, Dallas, just might be the fried chicken capital of the world. We got it like that. We got several different joints, not just one, including my favorite in my old neighborhood, Rudy's, known for its iconic seasoning mix, which is just the star of the show, makes any chicken more better. But hey, my followers dig Rudy so much, they asked me to make my own version. So here's a copycat attempt by me, starting with Sazon and some Adobo all-purpose seasoning mix. Those are kind of like secret ingredients, I think, to kind of replicate the spice mix. Then you got traditional spices, salt and pepper, a little bit of sugar, paprika, garlic powder, etc. But once you have it mixed up, which is what I like to do, I like to pre-mix my seasoning and then just kind of work from there. I'm going to basically season pretty much all aspects of the chicken with that seasoning mix, right? So I'm gonna start by making a dry marinade and then combine that with some beaten eggs to let the chicken sit in at least an hour. If you got a little longer, maybe 2 hours. But I want to bag these up, right? The secret ingredient, where I take some liberty, in addition to some of the spices that we have included, is adding some green seasoning. It's a Trinidadian vibe, you know, a Caribbean element. You can add Sofrito if you want. That's another way to think about this stuff. But just want to add a little more complexity to the dish on the inside. So with that brine, the chicken brines, you want like some of those flavors to really kind of work together to just deepen everything and make this chicken more better, more gooder, however you want to think about it, right? But I'm gonna set this aside to like an hour. Like I said, we're working with raw chicken and raw eggs, so you make sure this is refrigerated. I'm using Ziploc bags. You can just leave it in a bowl and maybe top it off with some saran wrap. For my coating, I'm just literally using all-purpose flour, topped with some of the that all-purpose, the spice rub that I told you about, that you saw me mixing up earlier, right? That's, again, we're gonna make that the star throughout the dish. After we're ready to go, I'm gonna take that marinated chicken, that brine chicken, drop it in the flour, coat it really well on both sides. Then I'm gonna fry in peanut oil. You can use canola or vegetable if that's your thing, but I'm gonna fry it about 350 degrees. If you're cooking in batches, make sure when you go to that second batch, you give the oil enough time to like come back to temperature, because the temperature will drop every time you add chicken in there, right? So just be mindful of that, right? But once your chicken, your wings start to float, I want my wings because, hey, it's March Madness, I want a chicken wings, but also I'm a 4-piece white basket kind of guy. And in Dallas, that's kind of how we get down. We love to turn every fast food joint dish into like baskets. Rib baskets, fish baskets, hamburger baskets, link baskets, if you ever been in Good Luck, and these fried chicken baskets. Again, it's a 4-piece wing to me. Hey, you can do wings, you can do backs, you can do drumsticks, breasts, whatever you get down with. But we're gonna lace it with fries, white bread, some pickles, and some pickled jalapenos. My cheat code is to take some of that hot used oil, let it drip on that chicken, and then top it off with some more of that seasoning mix, and you got like just some bomb chicken. It's just really, really good. That's it, you know, from, you know, in terms of like making some really good chicken, Rudy style, that Dallas vibe. The bread is my favorite part actually, because after you get through eating all of that really good fried chicken, you got this bread that's sitting on the bottom that's absorbed all of the seasoning from the chicken, from the fries, from the seasoning, and just like that oil. It is just so good. So if you're digging the recipe, give me a like or a thumbs up. Most importantly, hit that red subscribe button. You get new recipes weekly when I update. Thanks. Peace out.